Hi everyone, this is Samsung Galaxy A54 review. So don't waste the time, let's go to the video.
Samsung Galaxy A54. The A-series smartphone. Samsung is launching a new Galaxy A54 to Samsung Galaxy A54. The A-series smartphone. Samsung is launching a new Galaxy A54 to the market. Samsung is planning to unveil a new smartphone in its A-series. The coming smartphone of the company will be a high-end phone, and will be named Samsung Galaxy A54. The coming smartphone will be powered by the Exynos 1280 Society chipset. The device with this processor will provide the user with powerful results. Samsung's Galaxy A54 has a 2.4 GHz octa-core processor under the hood of this smartphone. And also there is a GPU of Mali G68MC4. Also there is glass protection of Corning Gorilla Glass. The display screen size of the upcoming new Samsung Galaxy A54s to have 6.5 inches long, and the special thing about the display of this handset is that it has a Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen panel. The resolution of the display will be 1080 x 2400 pixels, which best setting of resolution in this class. The Galaxy A54 by Samsung also grabs RAM with a massive capacity of 6/8 of a gigabyte. The RAM is high-end, which will ensure outstanding performance. The upcoming all-new Samsung A54 is having enough storage capacity that will be there to hold enough files to be used in the future. The internal storage capacity that you will find on this handset is 128/256 of a gigabyte. The backside of this upcoming Samsung Galaxy's A54 is packed with a quad camera setup. The main sensor of the phone will be 64 megapixels, 12 megapixels, 5 megapixels, 5 megapixels. The selfie camera of the phone will be 32 megapixel camera for capturing photos and movies of your loving ones. The Samsung Galaxy A54 has got an under-display optical fingerprint scanner for security reasons to give protection to the data. The Galaxy A54s is packed with a big battery of 5000 mAh to give you a full day of use and supports fast charging of 25W.
So this is was today's video. I hope like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye.